Hi, my name is Zenzale. Welcome to my channel, Urban Eve. In this video, I'm going to be creating this eyeshadow look you see right here using the middle row of Natasha Denona's Triochrome palette. So this is the middle row, the Enthusiast in Natasha Denona's Triochrome palette, and it is described as being inspired by those who are mastering new techniques to create all types of looks. So if you want to see how I created this eyeshadow look using the Enthusiast row, keep watching.
The record.
I wasn't really sure how I was gonna feel about the Enthusiast row of this palette. I kind of looked at it and was just like, okay, this looks really pale. This is like, I've seen this before, and you know, this is nice, but again, I wasn't like super excited the way that I was for this palette up here, the Trailblazer. This row surprised me with some shades that I wasn't expecting this impact from. So for instance, this shade Naga, which is described as a pastel lavender, and this may seem a little chalky right here. Oh, see, Look at that. That packs such a sort of glowy, radiating punch that I just did not expect and I love. And then of course we have Kinetic, which is the Triochrome shade in this row. And I do love this color so much, but I'm not sure it has a trio flip effect. I feel like it's just purplish and bluish. I'm not really getting any other shade from that. And it's described as having color shifts of purple, fuchsia, and neutral silver. So I definitely get the purple. The fuchsia, I guess I do. And the neutral silver, I'm sure it's in there, but if it's neutral, it doesn't really show up as a third color as emphatically as the shade in Trailblazer. You can see like the three colors in here a little bit easier. So Scarab has the color shifts of poison, green, warm gold, and blue, which I think show up a little bit more effectively than the shifts in this color, Kinetic, but I still love them both. So Naga, I really loved. Manganese came on way stronger than I expected. I totally made this up on the fly. I had no idea what I was about to do. This is literally my first time using this row. So when you saw me working it in my crease here, I was just trying to like bring it back a little bit. I didn't expect it to come out so much. Plus I was using a very concentrated blending brush, but you know, live and learn. I still think it's an incredible color. And then Redux, I think, is my least favorite in this row. I used that in the Brow Bone. It's a cool tone shade that I'm not like super crazy about thinking about using it in an eyeshadow look. For me, instinctively, it's not what I would like go for, but I think it was fine. And then Tungsten is a toasted mauve color, which I think is pretty as well. But I think for me, the winners in this row are definitely Naga, Manganese, and Kinetic. Like, those are amazing. The whole row is great, but these three are my favorites. So that is it for me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. In my very last video using this palette, I will be using Total Flip. That's this row right here. Stay tuned for it in my next video, and I will see you soon. Bye.